morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Will you tell loudly?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Okay, children. So I am starting a new lesson. Let me show the chapter name. See, children, 2 chapters are deleted from our portion. Those chapters are Introduction to Euclid Geometry and Mathematic Modeling, Proofs in Mathematics. Okay, area of parallelogram and triangles. Okay, children. So this chapter is chapter 12. Chapter 12. Very easy chapter. Very small chapter. Okay, very small. Only one formula you have to study. And that chapter's name is Heron's formula. Heron's formula means finding the area of a triangle. Heron's formula. Okay, we are studying a formula to find the area of a triangle. Okay, children, and our chapter is chapter 12. Wait. Okay. So it is chapter 12. Chapter 12. Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So as the name indicates, we have only one formula to study in this chapter and application. Heron's formula. Did you write the heading? Did you write the heading, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let me start. Aditya Krishna came. Okay, children. So it is Heron's formula. Okay. So we know to find the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle. What is the formula? Do anybody remember that area of triangle? Anyone?
Half BH.
Half BH. Area of the triangle is half BH. Half BH. Okay, children. You all know it. But that area or that triangle, either it should be a right angle triangle. 1 minute. Either it should be a right angle triangle or like this. Right angle triangle like this. Base, height. So area equal to half BH. You know it, isn't it? Or the triangle should be in the shape like this, and H is the altitude and B is the base here. So area equal to half BH. For these two type, we are using that area equal to half BH. Isn't it, children? Isn't it? Hello? Either it should be a right angle triangle. Are you listening? Right angle triangle. You can write it, okay, right angle triangle, or it should be an isosceles triangle. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So for these two things, we are using area equal to half BH. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this right angle triangle or isosceles triangle, we are using half BH. Isn't it?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
I don't know whether you have studied one more thing like this. You can write this, okay? You can write this. And sometimes you might have studied, I don't know whether you have studied it or not. Equilateral triangles area. Can you tell equilateral triangles area? What is equilateral triangles area? Equilateral triangle. You know what is equilateral triangle? Yes, children, what is equilateral triangle?
All sides and angles are
All
equal.
sides and angles are equal. Okay. So an equilateral triangle's area is, side is A. So the area is root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, children. These are the two types of triangles and areas we have studied. Okay. Root 3 by 4 A square, have you studied before? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so write this also. Equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 A square. Equilateral triangle's area is root 3 by 4 A square.
Ma'am, should we write this in the notes?
Yes. In your notes you write. You want to show, I will scroll the board down. Okay, children. Area of a triangle, half BH. Under the heading, Heron's formula. Write this, some formula we already studied. Area of triangle equal to half BH. Two types of triangles we are using the same thing. Area of the triangle for right angle triangle and for isosceles triangle. Right angle triangle and for isosceles triangle. Then when an equilateral triangle comes, when an equilateral triangle comes, we are using this formula, that is root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, children, root 3 by 4 A square. But now we are not going to do the problems based on this. This we have already studied. It is just I gave a brief or just gave a recap or to test the to test whether you have studied it or not. Okay, just have given revised those formula, but this chapter we are not using that. We are studying some other formula. Okay, children. Okay, children, listen. So we have now we studied about equilateral triangle. What is the formula for finding the area of a right angle triangle? Can you tell? What is the formula for finding the area of a right angle triangle?
Half BH.
Half BH. Okay. Then what about the isosceles triangle?
Half BH.
Half BH. Base and altitude should be given for that. Base and altitude should be given. And for equilateral triangle, it is, what is the formula?
Root 3 by 4 A square.
Root 3 by 4 A square. For that, only one side is given, that is A. One side, because equilateral triangles, all side is same, it is A itself. Okay, children. Now, just now we studied about equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and right triangle. One more type of triangle is there. Can you tell which is that triangle? Yes, children. One more type of triangle is there.
Scalene triangle.
Yes?
Scalene.
Scalene triangle. So, scalene triangle's area we have to find out. Here, what is the speciality of the sides of a scalene triangle? What are the specialities of the sides? Sides.
All sides are different.
Yes, all sides are equal.
Different.
All sides are equal for a scalene triangle.
All
Different.
sides are different.
Different sides. Okay. So, for find the area of a scalene triangle, this formula we are using, Heron's formula. So, Heron's formula is designed only to find the area of a scalene triangle. Okay, children? Okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, scalene formula is to find the, Heron's formula is to find the area of a scalene triangle. So, we'll write that. Okay. So, now we are writing Heron's formula. It is a long formula, but it is very easy to do. Heron's formula. Okay, children. Heron's formula is, you have to write like this. If A, B, C are the length of sides of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Then its area equal to root of long root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, children, and what is this S? S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C by 2. This is Heron's formula.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes, it has vanished somewhere. Wait. Okay, children, I write it again. I will write it again. See, children. Did you write the starting? Did you write the starting?
Yes.
I will write it. If A, B, C are the length of sides of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, children, you draw those triangle also. Draw that triangle also. Triangle, it is a scalene triangle. All sides are different. Okay, sides length are A, B, and C. Okay, and this is a triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. Okay, children, note down that triangle also. Okay, children. Okay, so this is Heron's formula. Can you read the Heron's formula? What is that? Root of? Hello? Read it. Unmute and read what is Heron's formula. Fast? No one is reading. Nobody knows to read. Yes, children? Unmute your mic, all of you.
Root of S
Yes,
into
yes.
S minus A into
Root
S
of?
minus C into S
Only
minus
Adil
C.
is telling. I want to hear from everyone. Yes. What is Heron's formula?
Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Okay. Rifa, what is Heron's formula?
Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Okay. Then Melvin, what is Heron's formula?
Root S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And John Samuel? John Samuel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will you read that formula once?
Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Okay, very good, very good. And what are those A, B, and C, children? What is that A, B, and C? Sides.
Sides.
And what is S?
A
S,
plus
S
B
equal
plus
to?
C by 2.
2. What is A plus B plus C, you know? What is A plus B plus C?
Perimeter of triangle.
Perimeter of triangle. So when you add the sides A, B, and C, you will get the perimeter of the triangle. So S is, we can write again, we can write once in another way. That is S is equal to half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C is the perimeter. So S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So half of the perimeter by 2. Okay, children? So we'll write that also. I'll write that also is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. In another way, we can write S equal to perimeter by 2. Okay, children. S equal to perimeter by 2 or half of perimeter. Okay, children. This also you note down. Half of perimeter. Okay, now we start doing the questions. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay. So our first question is, Adidev, you have some connection problem. Okay. No problem. If you are not in Arjun, I told him to rename his name, and he is not there. Where is Arjun? Arjun? Not there anywhere.
Yes.
Arjun, will you rename?
Yes.
No problem. Arjun APM you can write. No problem. Okay. Arjun P. Manoj. Okay, children, see sometimes teachers are taking the attendance now. So they will be searching this name in the register. Okay, children. Okay, Arjun?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll write the first question. First question. Find the area. Find the area. Find the area of a triangle. Of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle.
I wouldn't share the screen.
Are you? 1 minute. Children, wait. You will get the board now. Can you see the board now? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. The question is, find the area of the triangle. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. Okay, children, when you get a question like this, you should write the given things first. Okay, after writing, you listen to me. I'll do it once and you can note down. Okay, children? See? After writing the question, just listen to me. So when you get the question, you just write down the given things. Okay. So what is given there? The sides are given. And you know what are our sides? It is A equal to. When you write the answer, you have to write like this. A equal to 13, B equal to 14, and C equal to 15. No need of writing, just listen. Melvin, calculation, there are some specialities. That is why I am telling you to listen to me. Okay, children. So, you have to find first S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, children. It is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. This is the first one you have to find. What is S now? 13 plus 14 plus 15. Yes? Is it 42 by 2? Yes, children? It is 21 centimeter. Clear? Clear? Melvin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So S equal to how much?
42 by 2,
21.
21. Okay. Now we will write the formula. We'll write the formula like this. Okay, children. What is our formula? What is our formula? Area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. And S is 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Now listen to me. Listen to me. No need of writing. Listen, listen. Next step is you have to subtract this. 21 into minus 13. How much? Yes. How much?
8.
8. And what about 21 minus 14?
7.
7. And what is 21 minus 15?
6.
6. See children, you have to find the root of this product. But no, you are not finding the root directly. Okay? Listen children. This product 21 into 7 into 8 into 6. This, we are not multiplying directly. We are finding like prime factorization what we are doing. The same thing. We are finding the root like that. It is an easy method. So children, 21 you do the prime factorization as 7 into 3. Clear? And 8 you prime factorize as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. And 7 is already there. And 6 you write as 2 into 3. Okay, children? See? I'll give once again. 21 is 7 into 3. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 7 has no change. And 6 you do the prime factorization as 2 into 3. Now children, now what is the square root? Can you find 2, 7 there? Can you find 2, 7?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 7 we can take out, right? And how many 3's can you see? 2.
4.
2. So 1, 3 you can take out from the square root. Then how many 2's?
4.
4. So from 2 pair you can take 2 2's like this. Now you can find the answer. 21 into 4. Okay.
84.
Yes. Okay, children. 84 centimeter square. Okay. Did you understand the question? Did you understand the method of doing? Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
show it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll show the slides. Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay. I'll show the slide. Adidev, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand, Adidev?
Yes.
Okay. So this is Heron's formula. It is very easy. Don't find the root directly. You can split it into prime factors and take one number out.
Ma'am, will you show the question once more?
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute, I'll show it. Oh. When we touch the board, that question will go somewhere. So this is the question. I think you understood it. Okay,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
13 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, children? Okay, did you write it? Did you write?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. So what is the answer? 84 centimeters square. Did you understand?
Yes.
Is it easy to do? Okay. Now, children, shall I wind up the class? I'll continue in the evening. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.